let me see the floor plan now. So you can see that we got 3 floors. So this is the ground floor plan, and you can see this is the main entrance door, and we got the steps like this. So we saw the east elevation from here, we saw the west elevation from here, we saw the north elevation, and we saw the south elevation. All right guys, so you can see, you know, these things over here. So they are for you know, this decoration that is done over here, that you know, fair face brick or this brick cladding if you do, or you just put the fair face bricks. This is how you get the concept of the structure. And on the ground floor, you know, once you enter here using these steps, this is the surrounding ground, or you can say the soil level or the ground level. And you got, so this is first step, this is second step. Okay, so you got 2 steps are shown in the plan, and let us see the elevation, how many steps they have shown there. They have shown 1, 2 and 3 steps. All right, and in the section nothing. Okay, we got 3 steps here. So if the riser, so the riser is this one. Okay, so this is our riser. All right, so if the height of this riser is 150 mm, so generally it's 150 to 180 mm, not beyond that. So let us take 150, which is the most appropriate height of the riser. So if this is 150, then this is 150 and this is 150, which means that we got total of 450 mm from the ground level. So this is the ground level, and the ground floor is raised 450 mm above the ground level. So this height from the ground, this height is known as the plinth height, and this level you can see that this level over here, it's known as the plinth level. So this is the plinth level or the ground floor level, and this height, the height from here up to here, the ground natural ground level to the plinth level, is known as the plinth height. So in this case the plinth height is 450 mm. Okay, so this is some additional information that will cost you nothing. Once you enter into this building, you will open the door, and here you will see 1, 2 and 3 bedrooms. So this is the living room, living room. So it's 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet 9 inches. So you got the bedroom, 11 feet 5 inches by 13 feet. So 10 feet 9 inches by 13 feet bedroom. So this is covered, I guess. And we got the water closet, and here we got the steps. So you go to the other floor using these steps, and here it's the open well staircase. We will learn how to model the open well staircase as well. So I want to keep this structure as simple as possible. After that, you go to the first floor. So this is the first floor level. Its area is 777 square feet, and you come from here and you get the kitchen and the dining over here, and you got the bedroom, and you got the bedroom size is same, and over here you got a balcony as well. So we need to model this balcony also. So we got a window shade, you can see there, or this slab projection that you see over here. So this will not carry any load, so it will just be the projection of this slab, this entire slab. We will not model this face, okay, and we will also not model this portion. And after that we got the top floor plan, that is the second floor plan, and here we only got 1 and 2 rooms, 1 water closet, and we got the open balcony over here. So this is the spiral staircase. So this is the roof plan. So there is nothing over here, only the roof. Alright guys, so I think you have got the idea of the architectural drawing, and also, you know, learned how to read the architectural drawing and what information to extract from the architectural drawing.